Yesterday, I put an email out to my subscribers about moving into energetic neutral, and I got some emails back. And I totally understand it because right now there is so much going on. I live near LA. I have family in LA. I have friends in LA. I have students in LA. I have clients in LA. I love LA. I grew up in California. And there's a lot going on, a lot. And it is not easy. And it's not only here, it's everywhere. The energetic neutral that I talked about is a very, very important thing energetically. And some of the emails that I got back said, I really, appreciate what you're putting out. It was very nice. And they said, but I'm just having a really hard time right now moving into energetic neutral. I have so many emotions that moving into a neutral place feels like giving up. And I want to talk about that because it is such a good point. Moving into energetic neutral means you move into alignment with your own energy. It means that you are not being pushed and pulled. When there's a lot of chaos, the energy starts to move in such a way, the energy is frantic. When energy is frantic, you can't think and you can't make good decisions. And your intuition, the wisdom that you have within you, is very hard to hear. So when you move into energetic neutral, meaning that you practice coming into alignment, you practice pausing. A big deal with energy cultivation is just learning to pause many times during your day. To pause, to be still, to be present, to move into your center. You want to ground your energy so that you are in yourself. And as you are in yourself, you are no longer out here, meaning you are not being pushed and pulled and hit with all of this other stuff, right? Because it is a lot. And finding those quiet times is essential if you want to be guided by a wisdom that's within yourself that has a much broader view about what's going on. Meaning you also have a much broader view about the immediate energy that's right here and also a long range view of the end game. This is really important because we have to learn to pace ourselves. So when we are learning to master our energy, because that's what we're doing, right? That's what I teach. So that you are thriving in life. When you learn to do that, you have to take the time to go within. We are not surrendering to what's happening. We are aligning and integrating and recalibrating our energy so that we can expand and see the broader view. If we don't take time to pause, if we don't take time to breathe, if we don't take time to calm our mind, if we don't find that internal presence of who we are, we become completely depleted by all the energy that's pulling us, because emotions are wonderful. They're here to tell us things. But if we stay in fear too long, if we allow worry and anger and grief to be too long, it starts depleting our energy. So when we talk about going into energetic neutral, we're talking about going into yourself, pausing and aligning so that you are not pushed and pulled. You are aligned. That is energetic neutral. Doesn't mean you don't care. It doesn't mean that you're allowing all of these things that are happening to be okay. It means that you are moving into alignment with yourself and tuning in to the most powerful wisdom that you have. And no one can do that for you. We have to do it ourselves. We have to be able to master our energy that way. Because if we are out here in the chaos, we are focusing and giving energy to that chaos, which means it is getting bigger. And we'll be depleting ourselves and we won't have the reserves, the energy reserves for the end game. So before, when I said aligning, tuning in to the wisdom, going into energetic neutral so that you can see the broader view or feel the broader view or understand the broader view, however it is that you interpret your own intuitive wisdom, you will not have the energy to know what's ahead, to be prepared for what's ahead. And that's incredibly important. If we are living just moment by moment, being pulled by the anxiety, the frustration, the overwhelm, we're going to become extremely worn out. I really appreciate your emails and I really appreciate your questions. I invite you to come and to tune in with me, to access the free holding space meditations, to have tools every day to be able to realign your energy. Because when you tune into your inner wisdom, you're going to have a broader view. We're all going to make better decisions and we're going to remain healthy and clear. And when we remain healthy and clear, energy falls into place in beautiful ways. Thank you for being here. Have a beautiful, beautiful day.